Oh, what happened to you, Gigi? We just put it on because it's cold and she likes the door open. So cute. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Ah. He's so done with us. Hello, it is Vlogmas day 23. As much as I wanted to go for a run, go do stuff outside, I couldn't because it was pouring rain all day. I just got back from work. Rain has calmed down a little bit, but I saw some of the roads, they were flooded. I hope everybody is safe. It looked kind of dangerous out. I made myself a delicious girl dinner. Got my dumplings and my soy sauce mixed with chili oil. This video, I think I'm just gonna do a little night routine because that's all I can do today. Say so good. My favorite thing to do when I'm eating is to watch YouTube, and I have seen a lot of videos saying that when you eat, you have to eat focused on your food. But I don't know, I've gotten so used to just looking at something, especially when I'm alone. If I'm with Tony, I would just we would just chat and eat. Sometimes we would just put Netflix on because that's our favorite thing. We would run with our plates to the coffee table. I don't know, I think it's nice to just slow down and enjoy your meals, but at the same time there's a little bit of fun in watching something when you're eating. Honestly, I inhaled the food so fast that I only had time to look at the YouTube For You page. Now the food's gone. I still haven't chosen a video to watch. A good dinner is not complete without a little sweet treats. Oh my god, look how cute this is. I may or may not have 2 of those on my plate. It's time to take this freaking makeup off and go take a shower. These are my favorite earrings, by the way. I got it at Claire's. They were having a sale, a clearance sale, and I get so many compliments whenever I wear these. One time I was wearing this and I was putting mascara on and it almost went in my eyes, so I did that, and that's why there's a black dot on there. Now I wear eyeliner almost every single day. I feel weird if I don't wear eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna jump in the shower. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll be back for some skincare. I think I'm gonna try this Mediheal mask. Oh, there's so much product left inside. Sometimes I use this on the back of my hands. I'm gonna put some gloves on because this is so sticky. This is like the most beautiful packaging ever. And sticking the spatula onto the lid, that's so smart.